EarthPen. Good day, learners. This is EarthPen. Throughout the years, NASA has been providing us with new discoveries and researches that greatly contributes to our knowledge. One of these is the black hole. Now, what is a black hole? Let's find out together in this video. Why is it called a black hole? Without the presence of light, one cannot see anything. In black holes, gravity is so strong because it is a lot of matter condensed into a single point, called a singularity. Therefore, it is a place in space wherein even electromagnetic radiation, such as light, is pulled and cannot be able to escape. One example of this is a dying star. So, how are black holes formed from a dying star? Let's start from the death of a star. At its dying state, a star has exhausted the internal thermonuclear fuels in its core. The core then becomes unstable and gravitationally collapses upon itself, and its outer layers are blown away. The constituent matter's weight, falling in from all sides, compresses the star into a single point, hence what we call a singularity. Fascinating, isn't it? Does this happen to stars of all sizes? No, only the most massive stars become black holes, those of more than 3 solar masses. However, star that is smaller in size and in mass becomes a dense neutron star or white dwarf. As such, astronomers used to believe that there are no mid-sized black holes. But a recent evidence laid by Chandra, XMM Newton and Hubble strengthens the case that mid-sized black holes do exist as well. And guess what? These holes were predicted by Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, which suggests that when a star dies, it leaves behind a small but dense remnant core. The force of gravity in this core overwhelms all the other forces and produces a black hole. Though we cannot be able to observe black holes directly with any forms of electromagnetic radiation, we can be able to detect its presence through detecting their effect on other matters nearby. Say for example is the process of accretion, which means that when a black hole passes by a cloud of interstellar matter, it will draw the matter inward. A similar process happens to a normal star, only that the black hole could tear it apart. Black hole is not just an empty hole, it is a great amount of matter packed in a small area, hence the strong gravitational force. It is formed from a massive dying star, and infer that a star's end signifies a black hole's beginning. And that is all for now. I hope you learned something from us today. Once again, this is EarthPen. Learning has never been this easy for anyone, anywhere. Have a nice day.